Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a double waterfall acrylic pour with these Artist Loft pre-mixed ready to pour paints. I'm going to be using the teal, brilliant blue, and white. And this is just a little 12-ounce solo cup here. I'm basically going to be filling it full with paint. For this technique, you need quite a bit of paint. I did have a little bit of paint left over in my cup, so I would say maybe uh, 10 ounces is the perfect amount, but I always like to have a little bit extra just in case. If I don't like the way something's turning out, then I can add a little bit more paint and try to save it. So I was just going in, alternating the colors. I was trying to add quite a bit of white in here just to get that white showing up on my painting. And this is a 12 by 24 canvas. I have it propped up at a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to add some of that teal down for a base layer, smooth it out with my hand, and start pouring. And for this technique, you want to pour pretty slow and move your cup back and forth to get those nice lines showing up through there. These paints are thinner, they're on the thinner side, so I was worried. I was like, oh, I don't know if it's going to work out, but it ended up working out awesome. You'll see in the end, I'll just do a close-up with it dry. One thing I do like about these paints is they dry really glossy. It looks like there's already varnish on your painting, so that's one thing I like, but they're almost always out of stock in store. So if you have a Michaels and you've been looking for them, just keep checking. They should restock soon, hopefully. So I poured about half of my paint out here, and now I'm going to tilt it and cover up basically half of the canvas, and then I'm going to flip my canvas around and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just about done tilting. I'm just going to take my finger and touch up the edge here, flip my canvas around, and pour on the other side as well. It almost looks like a feather. Do you see that? I was like, oh man, too bad this isn't, I couldn't turn this into a feather pour. I'm going to pour some of the paint back into my cup here because I don't want to waste that paint. It is kind of expensive, so if you guys do get some to try, be sure to use a coupon if it's not on sale. Michaels always has those 40% off coupons, so that's when I get these if I can find them in stock. Hopefully they restock soon around here because I want to try their gold and see how that works out. So I'm just going to tilt this around, and then I will show you, I'll bring you in for a close-up after I get it to where I want it to be. And I'm going to call this one done. I really like how it turned out. I love this section right here in the top left. So let me know what you guys think. This is the wet finish, and then I will also show you what it looks like when it is all dry and hanging up on the wall. And here it is. It's about 3 days later, all nice and dry, hanging up. But can you see how glossy these paints dry? That's why I really like these ones, but I also love my Primal Flow paints too. I just love the pre-mixed ready to pour paints because it's so easy to use, and I am always in a hurry whenever I get a chance to do some art, so I just don't have time to mix up my paints. So these are a great option if you're in a time crunch like me, or if you're a beginner and you don't want to mess around with mixing your own paints. But I really like how this one turned out. It reminds me of like a galaxy and a planet or something like that. It's galactic, I think. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you guys are all doing good and you're having a great day. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like. And if you need any resin, be sure to check out the epoxy resin store or KS resin. I will link all their information down below along with some coupon codes that I have for them. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you on Friday for another video. Bye.